Guys, welcome to Data Analyze project. Welcome to Data Science project. I'm going to show you start doing project. Uh, so today in this tutorial we are going to how to create or how to calculate uh, year on year. Okay, so come to here, the latitude, right click, and then get a new measure. It's going to be created here. Just guys seconds. Okay, here we're going to take uh, year year on year. Accident and near accidents, and here we're going to current year accidents uh, minus previous year accidents, and closing tag and divide it to current divided to previous year, and then click enter. Right, so guys, you see here it's already created, right? So we are going to grab this one. We're going to get a percentage, right? We come to here. See, if I click it two times, it's going to be like this. So I want to just going to edit this one. Just one click. Then come to here, year on year accidents to here. So guys, we got 12%, right? Come to here, two times click. Now we go to here, this one. Then click guys, percentage. You go to 11.7, right? So you are going to decimal number to reduce to 1. Now you see 11.7, right? Then now come to here, we are going to change our title. Come to here, title, here instead of total year, current year, we're going to say total current year accident, accident. Current year accidents. That's it. Because in this way, how to create a full stack data analysis project. Easy way you are going to create your dashboard. So I'm going to slowly to show you. We are going to learning this project start to end. We are going to complete project. We are going to finish, and after this one, we are going to become a full stack data analysis. I'm looking forward to see you in my next tutorial, guys.